everybody, welcome to the sky. My name is Maria and this is my channel. I'm going to talk about the Vinyl Museum. So the Vinyl Museum is Instagram friendly spot that comes around every year for about 2 weeks in summer. So it's like July, the last week of July and the first week of August. And you have to get your tickets online because they sell up pretty quick. They sell it through time slots. It's 45 minutes through the day from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. So they accept credit cards and PayPal and a bunch of stuff, so it's not difficult to get tickets. Just try to get them the day before or you'll be without. I'm just gonna Rategramm. I'm still figuring out how am I gonna call this. If you have any suggestions, like literally, I'm all ears. I'm really bad with this. Anyway, let's go. Alright, so the space counts with 12 installations with different kinds of background. I will just rate the whole thing instead of just doing one by one. So, Instagrammable, it's obviously a 5 out of 5 because it is meant for Instagram. There's two types of tickets. The normal one that is $1,818-ish and $2,828 with a photo book. So I'm guessing, I didn't check into it much, but I'm guessing that you go and then someone takes your pictures and then you can print them. Pink level. It is super quite pink. It is like one of the pinkest places I've been to, and I'm really glad because like the whole place was really pink and it's really nice. But the downside of that is that the lights were reflecting on the floor that was pink, and so everything gave you a pink tone and your everything got kind of tinted, so there's gonna be a lot of editing to do. It is temporary, unfortunately. It is around 2 weeks of the year. I think it's around the world because I've seen this installation around many times with my friends from other countries. They do make more Instagrammable installations around Tokyo during the year. So we had the I don't know if it's the same company, but we had the ice cream museum and we had the vinyl museum, and there's many kinds of events. So if you're coming to Tokyo around August, you should totally check this out because it's not expensive and it was quite a lot of fun. If you're going with friends, it's better, but if you're going by yourself, there's a lot of staff that will take your picture if you just ask, and they speak fluent English, which was a challenge, but it was fun. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe. I will keep trying to post videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay pink!